Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Black Shark 5 Pro smartphone, and in this video we would like to share the top 3 applications for this device. So the first app is called Photomath, and it allows you to take a picture of any given math problem and get it solved automatically. So let's go ahead and launch it. In here we'll need to grant the Photomath the camera permission. Next we'll skip the ad. And in here in front of me I have this simple quadratic equation written on a piece of paper. So I'll simply frame it and take a picture of the math problem that I have. It will scan it, and as you can see, provide us the solution. So let's go ahead and expand it. And not only the solution, but also very detailed solving steps. And each solving steps contains the respective explanation, the detailed explanation to be exact. Therefore, if you are somebody who deals with the math problems on a daily basis, this app might be very useful for you. Alrighty, so the second app that we were to show you in this video is called WTMP. It's short for Who Touched My Phone. This app allows you to make it so that each time the screen of your device gets unlocked, or even if there is the unsuccessful unlock attempt, it will imperceptibly take a picture from the selfie camera. So let's go ahead and launch as well as set this application up. In here, in order for it to be activated, we want to tap on this power button, grant it the camera access, the unlimited background battery usage can be skipped. Next we would like to also grant it the permit usage, and after that we'll be able to start using the app. So here we'll confirm that we are aware of all possible risks and dangers and etc. Wait until the OK button becomes active. And now once we get back to the WTMP app, as you can see, this power button turned green, which essentially means that the app is now active. So let's go ahead and see how it works. Alrighty, as you can see, there are two entries, the one of them being the fact that device has not been unlocked, with the respective picture or photo from the frontal camera taken, and the one for the fact that the screen has been successfully unlocked, just like so. So if you would like to be sure that nobody touched your phone without you knowing it, we highly recommend that you get this app yourself. And the final very simple app that is called Caffeine, and well, this app allows you to set various custom or high values for the screen timeout setting or option, even up to a never or an infinite value. Because if we'll go to the settings, enter the always on display and not lock screen category, and expand the available sleep time values, we'll see that by default the maximum value that the system allows us to set is 10 minutes. Therefore, if we will open up the Caffeine app, we'll see that it provides us with 30 minutes, with the value of 30 minutes, 1 hour, or even infinite, just like so. So if you would like to, for your screen to not be able to go to sleep, to turn off automatically, that's the app to go. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.